So the new headlight covers have just been pulled out, and so they look pretty new. There's a gap here, and all the clips have been replaced here. Everything lines up. And then what else can we say about this job? Looks pretty good. That's good. So this is a Copart aftermarket bumper, and you can see we got a car accident over there, but you can see how the paint is probably peeling it off. Well, a person who paints a bumper has to mix the paint or buy a certain additive for flexing because it's rubber versus metal. So this, when it goes through the freeway and it heats up and everything, it takes a lot more of a beating than just metal surface. So, and you got to sand it down really good so the paint will bond. So painting bumpers is probably a minimum of like either $700, $800 or to $1,200 just to paint the bumper. And that's with material and paint. That's not including the bumper, I would imagine. So it takes a lot of effort to learn how to paint a bumper. But other than that, the car looks pretty good. It's good enough to go. And there's a gap here. What else can we say? It's totally livable. Yeah, it's way better than how it was before.